Hello everybody, today we're going to teach is how to set up multi-currency for debtors and creditors. Basically, if you know debtors, you will know the creditor is a linkage. Okay, so account list, go to asset. Let's say I've got one new currency is ringgit. Okay, look at the number, the next one will be 2230. 2230 Trade Debtors MYOB. Okay, first step. Second step, go to details and go to currency. Choose MYOB. System will pop up this. Do you want to auto create the exchange account? Just click OK. Done. This is the second step. Third step. Okay, if you encounter this tax code, right, just choose NT will do. If you don't, you can ignore it. Okay, because it depends your version. Some of the version will encounter these tax code things. Some of the version won't encounter. Okay, click OK. Third step, go to the linkage, go to list, currency. We need to tell system this ringgit Malaysia, this currency, the receivable account is linked to this debtors control account, not the exchange. It's the MYOB without the exchange. Just click. Done. Okay, so same thing for creditors. You just go to liability. Again, we use the ringgit, so now it's 2220 for the next number. Creditors MYOB, same thing, go to details and then the currency change to MYOB. They'll ask you, do you want to create the auto exchange account? Just click OK. And the tax code, of course, here they'll pop out. Then I just choose NT first lah. Then click OK. Third thing, link. Okay, same thing, go to list, under currency, under ringgit Malaysia. Now it's payable account. We need to tell system this liability account is linked to my trade creditors MYOB, not the exchange. And then done. Okay, that's all. As simple as that. Thank you.